Hey everyone, it's Desiree, and I am here with another new collection release by Scrappy Tails Crafts. Yay! I get so excited with these. And, again, I know you hear me say it every single time. Sabrina did it again. So this kit and it's actually a kit. So, but you can get the items individually. It's Christmas in July. And it's a snow globe card kit. So very cool. So let's start with the pop outs. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the products. I'm going to link you to Sabrina's, to Scrappy Tails YouTube channel, to her Facebook group, and you will be able to see all the inspiration on these products. And then, of course, as always, stay tuned because I'll have some videos coming out using these products as well. Okay, so these are the pop-up, and I'm going to call it a mechanism. All right, these are the bases. All right, and when you get this base together, it creates like a round disc. That's three-dimensional. Very much three-dimensional. And then when you push on it, that's what will make it flat to go into a 5x7 envelope. All right, an A7 envelope. And then when you release it, it'll pop out and it'll become this like base for the piece that you put on top. So from these two, you've got two different sizes. You've got this little one, and you'll make two so that you can create that circle that you have. And then you've got pieces that can go along with it. So like these pieces here can decorate the base once it's together. So, it'll be about this high, and then it's got this circle dimensions. And of course, this one is smaller than this one. So you've got the small podium base pop-up, and this is the large podium base pop-up. And again, you've just got these pieces that can embellish it. This can be like the base. You can do all kinds of fun stuff, but she's got great add-ons that will go with these as well. So these are the pop-up mechanisms, all right? Now, with these pop-up mechanisms, she also has the rubber bands that can go with it as well. Okay, so you've got, the small podium rubber bands, and you've got the large podium rubber bands. And I think there's like 50 in here. Yeah, I don't know what these rubber bands look very different. They don't look normal to me. All right, so again, I will have also her shop along with her YouTube and Facebook listed down below if you want to check out this collection as well. So the rubber bands are what, when you release it, it pops. Okay, and it'll hold that round shape. That's what's going to give it that podium once it's released and out of the envelope. Okay, so now for all the wonderful add-ons, this here is the Tall Arch Snow Globe add-on. Okay, so this would be great for the small podium, and you can see the podium is going to be down here. Okay, so here's this, like this piece here can go in front of the podium after you make it. So your podium will sit back here, and then this straight piece will come up. So this will give you the idea of what that podium is going to do. All right, so again, this is the Tall Arch Snow Globe. And then here, of course, we've got to have the large circular snow globe. So here's this large, and then you've got this tab. Here's the piece that can go, again, in front of the large podium. And you can put it on two sides, and then you'll be able to flatten it out. I love the fact that we have a wood grain here and a plain one. And then it also does come with a sentiment. Snow is falling and winter is here. All right, so we have that. So again, these are the two main. Then we also go into the podium. So this is for the large podium. It's the extra large tray. And this is a 3-layer tray. So here's our first layer. Here's our second layer. And then this would be the third. Do you have to put all the layers together? Absolutely not. Again, that's what I love about these dies. It's versatile. While it's paper piecing, it's totally versatile to how you want to do this. Here are the ornaments and the star, and the ornaments do have layering pieces as well. Yes, she thinks of everything. So again, this is the topper for the podium. All right, so now all of the fun, they're like the bases. Or what I'm going to call the bases for the podium. This here is the podium tree trunk and tree basket. So again, for the small podium, you can use this to decorate, to put that podium in between. So we have a pine cone with leaves. We have a bow. This is a basket weave. And we have that as well. Next up, we have the Snow Globe Deer Trio and Street Lantern. So this is the die set, and this is what it would look like. And again, you're going to hear the Snow Globe add-on a lot because, again, we can add these to the Snow Globe to make all of these different scenes, whether it's the tall or whether it is the large. But just know that these pieces, we can create scenes with these on other pieces as well. If we want to put a deer in front of the tree, we can certainly do that if we want. So again, we can have fun mixing and matching these pieces. But I thought they were just so precious. Yes, yes, yes. Another add-on, this is the tall whimsical tree with a ladder and elves. And that's what it would look like. I love the fact that she puts the pictures on the back. Here is the traditional snowman. And again, that's what it looks like. We have a wintry forest. So we have 3 different styles of trees. So we have a taller one, mid-size, and then we have one just with branches. If we just want to add snow on top of that, we could. So again, good thing for backgrounds. We have a church, and people, and snowman. And that's what that would look like when it comes to that. So a great scene builder. And then finally, we have the Victorian Christmas house. Lots of details going on in this. And these are the pieces that will create the entire scene as well. So, I mean, she has all of these die cuts here. Yeah. Awesome. And that is the Christmas in July Snow Globe card kits with an awesome new pop-up mechanism. So again, something she's definitely going to be adding on to. Here's your pop-up mechanisms in both the small and the large. All right. Just know that if you go with the small podium and get that individually, I do not believe that the large bases, such as this or this would be able to hit it. I think it would topple over. It's going to be top heavy. So if you're interested in the snow globe or this large tree, I encourage you to get the large podium base, all right, because it will hold the weight of these two pieces, all right. I also encourage you to watch her video as she showcases these podiums, her details and instruction on how the podium comes together, what should be used, why she chose it, why she did this, are all, as always, very well explained. All right, so I will link down to her channel. I believe at the time that I am filming this and that it is being posted, the sales are still going on. So some of these are bundled together so that you can get an even bigger discount. But I will have all of that linked down below. All right. If you have any questions for me, please make sure you leave a comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Check out the links if you want to. And by all means, just continue to enjoy the process. Have fun creating your art. Continue to stay safe and healthy. And I will talk to you in the next video. And stay tuned for the projects that I'll be creating with this kid. Till then, everyone, take care.